Hello, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel and the 5-minute quick finisher workouts. This week we're using bands, resistant bands. Okay, 5 minutes for the abs. Let's get started. Now we have 5 exercises. I'm using a heavy band. Let's do this. Down on the mat. My timer is on. We're starting with scissors in 10 seconds. The band goes around your thighs, like down. And now, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Opposite elbow and knee. We're breathing. Stay with me, keep going, twist and twist. If you need, adjust your band. Brilliant, take off the band goes around your wrists. Bend your legs, bend your knees, and now dead back. Lower one leg and your arms. Just keep breathing. Don't change the position in your knee. Keep the 90-degree angle. It's only 5 minutes. And rest. Oh, okay, nice job. The next one is seated twist. So lift up and twist. Lower down, up and twist the other side. And twist. And up and twist. And up and twist. Up and twist. Okay, brilliant. Now we have the bicycles, so the band goes around your feet and opposite elbow and knee. Almost there. 5 minutes. Stay with me. I know it's hard. 10 more seconds. Okay. Isometric push, the last exercise. The band goes around your thighs. And now 90-degree angle, place your hands here and now push down, up, tap down, up, tap and lift, tap and lift, tap and lift. Tap, lift, tap, lift, tap, lift, tap, lift. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, awesome job. That was it. 5-minute quick finisher with a resistance band for the abs. Nice job, everyone. That was amazing. Well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free, fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joana.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety: Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.